Just earthquake. Earthquake.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm catching it on video!
Just has video going. Holy shit!
Oh my gosh. I'm catching it on video.
This is like twice as powerful as the one the other night.
Really? Holy crap. Why are these lasting so long? Oh my gosh.
Holy mackerel!
Dang.
Still going. Dogs are all going crazy.
I think it's getting stronger.
See the crabs moving. It does that whenever there's earthquakes. And the fan. Oh wait, that's always been moving.
It's still going. It was hitting pretty hard. I was hearing the sheetrock rattle.
I heard the TV like kind of crack. Like. Lucy, be quiet.
Lucy doesn't care. She's just over there eating away, isn't she? It's not too big of an earthquake.
It was at the beginning, and all we heard was whenever the show went on commercial, all we heard was a boom. Right.
Our house after the earthquake would just happen. Actually shook water out of the fish tank.
My phone's pretty good.
All right, try sending that to him then. Anyway, there's bricks is across the street over here off that building, and the one that's next to the show, but that big 6-story building's leaning.
They're gonna block the rest of this off.
I can believe the fracking, shooting it in there, but like this place here was 60 miles.
That was a huge earthquake.
Fracking don't go
Leaning it was a